Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Espanso in your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply go for any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and then simply download Espanso. So you can simply search here Espanso download. And click on Espanso download Windows. Then click on install on Windows, and then you're going to get the first download installer. If you click on that, then simply click on the download option and click on the folder icon. Click on it 2 times to install. Then check I accept the agreement. Click next install. And then as you can see right now, you launched the Espanso. If you click on the finish option, you can see click on start and click continue. And then you can simply click on the block option. It's saying that do you want to retry? You can simply configure the option later. So if you downloaded any kinds of this kind of tool, security tool, you have to uninstall it. Then you can simply click on the continue option. So for that, I'm going to go for install the apps option. 360 total security, click on install. Click on uninstall, click yes for the permission, and click on next. Now if you click on the continue option, you can see right now this time it will be run. It will not going to create any problem right now. So as you can see, Espanso is rightly open in your computer. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.